Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Mr. Todfood and today I am showing you one of my project that is called Smart Staircase Light. Of course, you have seen in some of the luxury villas or flats if you have visited. So they have installed a type of light where if someone is climbing the staircase, the sensors will sense the person and will glow the lights present in the stairs. So today I'm demonstrating how that luxury apartments smart staircase lights exactly work. So to build this you need three main components. First one is the brain, the eye, and the vibe. Now what is this brain is nothing but a component that we are using basically to control the lights as per the movement. So we have used the Arduino Nano as a microcontroller. Now second part is the eyes is nothing but the sensor seeing the physical parameters changes. Okay, so sensors we have used, you can see I have used two reflectance sensor over here. First one is here and second one is here. So it look like this. Okay, so I am just briefing you how this reflectance sensor works. So reflectance sensor, if you will see over here, there is two LED. So the upper LED is IR transmitter and lower one is the photodiode. So IR transmitter or IR LED. So when any object will come in front of it now, so this LED will emit a infrared light. Okay, and once it will hit the object, it will reflect back, and this photodiode will capture the intensity, means how much intensity is reflecting back. Okay, based on that intensity it will send the data to the brain, that is microcontroller, and the codings we have did as per the instructions, it will decide if someone is coming from downward direction or if someone is going from the upward direction. Okay, so now I am showing you the third part, that is called the vibe. The vibe is nothing but this LEDs. Basically this is not a LED, this is RGB pixel light. Okay, why this is not LED and why this is different from the LED? Because it is programmable. Now what is programmable in the sense ki, like if I want the orange color to be glow near now, it will glow. If I want the pink color, it can glow. If I want the second pixel to glow in a violet color, it can do that, because this pixel light contains three LEDs inside it: red, green, blue. That is also called the primary color. Now without wasting much time, now I am showing you how this particular project will work. Let's suppose if anyone is climbing from the downward directions. Okay, so this LED will sense and it will glow all the pixels one by one, then one, then one, then one, then again next one. Okay, and once all LED will lit up, it will make it glow for 5 seconds. Okay, after 5 seconds it will switch off. Now let's suppose if someone is coming from the upward direction and is moving towards the downward, so the second sensor will sense the person and will lit up the LEDs from this way: 1 2 3 4 5, one upon one it will glow, and once all the pixel will glow, it will glow till 5 seconds. Okay, thank you so much.